Hi, Amir here. I designed this regular and overtime hours calculation worksheet. This is very comprehensive worksheet, highly automated and very dynamic. Let me explain this sheet to you. These are the employee names, these are the employee numbers. These four columns represent the off days for each employee. Up to 4 days I have incorporated. We can add more, but I think for all the practical reasons, a person can have maximum 4 off days in a week. The off days are highlighted. These are the week-wise columns. For one day, we have 3 columns. These are the regular working hours for each employee. Here we put the actually how many hours that particular employee worked on that particular day. This employee had an off day on Friday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. These are mentioned in this blue cells with white dots. Friday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So if he worked 8 hours on his off day, all the time is included in the overtime. This is overtime column. And when he worked for 8 days on Saturday, there is his off days are do not have Saturday included. So these 8 hours are included in the regular hours. This golden yellow color column is for the regular hours. This gray column is for the overtime hours, and this is for each day. And similarly, we keep on entering. We see how it works. We work 9 hours on Thursday. 1 hour is included in the overtime, and 8 hours are included in the regular working hours. Similarly for each employee. And this is the summary for each employee on the most right hand side, where we can see the regular hours, protected overtime hours, total hours, sum of these two, and actual hours over 40 hours per week. There are 11. He worked for 51 hours, means he worked 11 hours over 40 week, over 40 hours per week. Okay, so this is the weekly roll-up summary. Regular hours 31, overtime hours. I have only entered data for one employee. That is the reason this is only showing for one employee. We can have for any number of employees, and we will keep on accumulating data for everyone. So this is how it is working. And I have also created a macro in VBA. And how does this macro works? I have this macro. We can, if we want to clear all the data and start a new week, for example, for a new week we want to make a worksheet. We will clear the form clear. We can see the form has been cleared, and we can start off for a new week. Okay, like from Friday, 3rd of November, we can start a new week, 2023, 3rd of November 2023. This is how it is entered in our country. Your country might follow a different format, but this doesn't matter. So this is the 3rd of November 2023 date, as we can see. Okay, and this sorted employee list is now cleared, and we have this list. For example, we want to add another employee. Another employee joined the company, and it's myself. My name is Amir. I'm using my employee number 80759 something anything, and I'm a regular employee. I only take regular weekend as the off days, and I usually work 8 hours per day. So I have left all the data for all other employees because that would take much more time. So I have entered a very few data over here. When I click generate sheet, data generated successfully. Please save the file as soon as possible. I save it, and as you can see, the data has been populated, and this sorted employee list has been also populated. I entered my name at the end, but this list, what it did, it sorted alphabetically. So my name is now on the 3rd position, and now then it copied the data on the actual overtime hour calculation worksheet, and now I can do anything as I want. So this is how it works, and this sheet I already explained to you. This is all in this worksheet. This is a very comprehensive worksheet, and I hope you would like it.